Muharram special Qubooli. Two cups of basmati rice soaked for half an hour. Half cup of Chana dal, soaked for 2 hours. 2 chopped tomatoes and 4 green chilies. 2 sliced onions. Some chopped mint and coriander leaves. Half cup of curd. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of salt. 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. Half teaspoon of garam masala powder. 1 tablespoon of ghee. 6 elaki, 2 bay leaves, 5 cloves, some shazira and 2 pieces of patta. Quarter teaspoon of yellow food color. 1 lemon juice. Take a vessel and add Chana dal and boil. Heat oil in a kadai. Add sliced onion. Fry onion till it is golden brown in color. 80% Chana dal is cooked. Remove the fried onion in a plate. Heat 3 glasses of water and add salt. Add whole garam masala. Add some chopped mint and coriander leaves. Add lemon juice. Give a mix. Cover and let it boil. Heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Add some shazira, 2 cloves, and 2 elaichi. Add green chilies. Add ginger garlic paste. Mix and fry ginger garlic paste well. Add turmeric powder. Add red chili powder. Add salt. Add little water so that masala should not burn. Give a mix. Add chopped tomatoes. Mix it. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. Now tomatoes are nice and soft. Add boiled Chana dal. Mix Chana dal with masalas very well. Add some fried onion. Mix it well. Add garam masala powder. Turn off the flame. Add curd. Mix all the ingredients well. Cover lid and on the flame. After 2 to 3 minutes, chana dal masala is done. Water is boiling well. Add soaked rice. Give a mix. Cover and let rice cook up to 80%. Rice is cooked up to 80%. Strain water. First layer with rice. Next layer with chana dal masala. Sprinkle some chopped mint and coriander leaves. Sprinkle some fried onion. Sprinkle pinch of garam masala powder. Add 1 teaspoon of milk and food color, and add in layering. Repeat layering process. Add beef. Add some oil. Cover and cook on high flame for 5 minutes. Lower the flame and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Tasty qubooli is done. Tasty and delicious qubooli is ready to serve. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.